Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create custom indicators in TradingView. First, open TradingView in your browser and log into your account. Once you are inside, open the chart where you want to add your custom indicator. Now look at the right side of your screen. You will see a vertical menu. Inside that menu, look for the option that says Pine Editor or Pine. Click on that option. Once it is opened, a coding window will appear at the bottom of your screen. In this Pine Editor window, you will have to enter your Pine script to add a new indicator. You can write the script manually and customize it the way you want. Start by defining the version of Pine script. Then use the indicator function to name your indicator. After that, you can add your logic, such as moving averages, conditions, or signals. You can also add inputs so users can change settings like length or color. Make sure to carefully enter all the needed details in your script. If there are errors, the editor will show them at the bottom. Fix any mistakes before continuing. Once you have entered everything correctly, click on the Add to Chart button. Your custom indicator will now be shown directly on your chart. You can go back and edit the script anytime to improve or adjust it. Thanks for watching.